Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Bloom General Knowledge Olympiad sample paper for grade 6. Maximum time allotted is 60 minutes and maximum marks are 60. Section A. Question 1. Which planet is also known as the morning star? Option A. Venus. Question 2. It is the second largest dome ever built, next in size only to St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Identify the monument from the given image. Option B. Golgambas. Question 3. The Ajanta painting belongs to the dash. Option B. Gupta period. Question 4. A preliminary or preparatory statement of the Constitution is dash. Option C. Preamble. Question 5. Which continent has the most number of countries? Option C. Africa. Question 6. Which of the following is the extension to Notepad file? Option B. .txt. Question 7. Dhyan Chand Trophy is associated with which sports? Option C. Hockey. Question 8. Sarnath is related to which of the following events in the life of Buddha? Option A. First sermon. Question 9. Which among the following animal is found only in Africa? Option B. Okapi. Question 10. Which of the following trees is found in hilly and mountain areas? Option D. All of these. Question 11. Which country has won the highest number of Football World Cups? Option C. Brazil. Question 12. What is the minimum age prescribed to become the Vice President of India? Option C. 35 years. Question 13. Who of these Mughal emperors was known as Prince Khurram? Option B. Shah Jahan. Question 14. Suez Canal links which two seas? Option A. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Question 15. Which state is known as the Sugar Bowl of India? Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 16. Which among the following is the oldest dynasty? Option A. Maurya. Question 17. The greenhouse effect is produced in the atmosphere due to which of the following gases? Option B. Methane. Question 18. The two states of India through which Tropic of Cancer as well as Indian Standard Meridian passes is dash. Option A. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Question 19. The capital city of Ashoka the Great was dash. Option B. Patliputra. Question 20. The oldest mountain range in India is the dash. Option C. Aravalli Hills. Question 21. This building is famous for its roof's architecture resembling shells or sails. Identify the building from the image given below. Option A. Sydney Opera House. Question 22. The Constitution of India is parliamentary because dash. Option D. The executive is responsible to the legislature. Question 23. To produce high quality graphics hard copy in color, you have to use a dash. Option A. Laser printer. Question 24. Which among the following delta is formed when the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal? Option A. Sundarban Delta. Question 25. The famous monument Imperial Palace is located in which country? Option B, Japan. Question 26. Which of the following is the highest governing body of lawn tennis? Option C, International Tennis Federation. Question 27. A book entitled The Stories of Malgudi Days was written by Dash. Option C, R. K. Narayan. Question 28. India's first satellite Aryabhat was launched with the help of which country? Option B, Soviet Union, Russia. Question 29. Which is the largest plateau in the world, which is also known as roof of the world? Option B, Tibetan Plateau. Question 30. Which of the following is a unique and remarkable feature of the Indus Valley civilization? Option C, town planning. Question 31. Which comet appears in every 76 years? Option C, Halley's. Question 32. The imaginary line on the Earth's surface that closely follows the 180-degree meridian is dash. Option B, International Date Line. Question 33. Which is the largest museum in India? Option B, Imperial Museum, West Bengal. Now it is known as Indian Museum. Question 34. The temperate grasslands in Africa are also known as dash. Option B, Veld. Question 35. .jpg extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A, image file. Question 36. Which state in India has the largest share of population? Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question 37. The Great Silk Route was opened to the Indians by dash. Option B, Kanishka. Question 38. Whose achievements are recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription? Option B, Samudragupta. Question 39. Monsoon is caused by dash. Option C, seasonal reversal of winds. Question 40. The decision of introducing a new 2000 rupees note was taken by which level of government? Option B, central or union level. Section B. Question 41. Match the following. Name of sports, terms associated with sports. Archery, bullseye. Boxing, knockout. Chess, checkmate. Football, penalty shootout. Correct answer is option C. Question 42. State T for true and F for false for the given statements. A. In democracy, people have the power to elect their leaders. This statement is true. B. Monarchy is the best form of governance system. This statement is false. C. Elections are usually held once in 4 years in India. This is false. Elections are usually held once in 5 years in India, not 4. D. All governments are elected for a fixed period of time. This statement is true. Correct answer is option A. Question 43. Match the following. Shortcut keys and use. F5, refresh contents. Control plus Y, redo last action. Control plus escape, start menu. Shift plus del, delete files permanently. Correct answer is option C. Question 44. State T for true and F for false for the given statements. A. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. This statement is true. B. Ursa Major is an example of comet. This statement is false. Ursa Major is an example of constellation. C. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. This statement is true. D. The moon has favorable conditions for life. This statement is false. Correct answer is option A. Question 45. Match the following. Name of country, capital. Capital of Canada, Ottawa. Capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo. Capital of Denmark, Copenhagen. Capital of Egypt, Cairo. Correct answer is option B. Question 46. State T for true and F for false for the given statements. A. The Indus Valley civilization was a rural civilization. This statement is false. The Indus Valley civilization was an urban society. B. The most important event of Chandragupta's reign was the conquest of Kalinga. This statement is also false. C. Samudragupta was a great military genius. This statement is true. D. Alexander invaded India after crossing the river Indus. This statement is also true. Correct answer is option C. Question 47. Match the following. Name of books with their author. A Tale of Two Cities, Charles Dickens. Discovery of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Chitra, Rabindranath Tagore. D. Anand Math, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Correct answer is option C. Question 48. State T for true and F for false for the given statements. A. Greenhouse gas emissions are considered the major cause of rise in temperature. This statement is true. B. Renewable energy can only work when sky is not cloudy. This is false. C. It is important to protect the environment so as to reduce the destruction of ecosystems. This is true. D. The sun is responsible for global warming. This statement is false. So correct answer is option A. Question 49. Match the following. Name of monument with location. Elephanta Caves, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Bara Imam Bara, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Humayun's Tomb, New Delhi. Buland Darwaza, Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option B. Question 50. Which country has opened the first Islamic school for transgender community? Option C. Bangladesh. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in another video.